Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send BNB from Tangem wallet to XMO in 2025. If you're holding BNB in your Tangem wallet and want to move it to XMO for trading or withdrawals, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. It's quick, secure, and I'll walk you through it in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem wallet app installed on your device and your wallet is properly set up. Open the app and unlock it with your PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your asset list and select BNB. You'll see your current balance. Double-check that you have enough BNB for the transfer, including any network fees. Next, head over to the XMO website or app. Log in to your XMO account and go to the deposit section. Select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. XMO will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Now, back in your Tangem wallet app, go to the Send or Transfer option for BNB. Paste the XMO address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send. Remember to subtract any gas fees, which are typically paid in BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. Review all the details: the recipient address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll be prompted to approve the transaction. Double-check for security. After confirmation, your Tangem wallet will broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. This might take a minute or two, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, you can check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. Finally, log back into XMO and refresh your balance to confirm the BNB has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you send BNB from Tangem wallet to XMO in 2025. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets like Tangem for storage and double-check addresses to avoid scams. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.